Hello viewers, in our previous video we have already implemented a method which can delete a node from the tail of a double linked list. In this video we will implement a method which can delete a node from anywhere in a doubly linked list. Like the node can be located anywhere in the list, and it will delete it. And let's go to the implementation. So while deleting a node from anywhere in the list, if the list is empty, is quite similar. We do nothing. There will be nothing to delete. Else, if the list is not empty, we'll check if the list got only one element. Then we'll set both head and tail to null. Else, if the required node is at the head, we'll use delete from head. We'll use delete from head. We'll use delete from head. Else we'll traverse until we reach the end. If we found the node at the tail, we will use delete from tail. Else we connect the previous of the node with the next of the node. That means the node will be disconnected from the list. So let's do that. If is empty, then if it's not empty, then let's check if this dot head equals this dot tail, and info equals this dot head dot info. That means if we found the node at the head, if we found the node, if there is only one node, and if the required info is equal to the info of that node, we'll just set both tail and head to null. This dot tail will be equal to this dot head, and we'll set both of them to null. Else, if this dot head dot info equals info, that means if the required, this means even though the node got more than one node, even though the list got more than one node and the required node is at the head, then we'll use this dot delete, the delete head method. Like we'll use delete head method here, delete head method, and it will take care of it. Else, that means if it's not at the head, then let's create a temp node and set that to head, and for starting from head, temp not equals null until we reach the end, and temp not equals info. We'll keep searching. Temp will be updated to temp dot next. Temp dot next. Okay. Then once we found temp, if temp not equals null, that means if we are not at the end, if we found something before reaching the end of the list, then we do this. If temp equals this dot tail, we'll use this dot delete tail. Otherwise, we'll temp dot previous dot next will be say to temp dot next, and temp dot next dot previous will be say to temp dot previous, and this will delete the node, and this will delete the node from anywhere in the list. And let's check this from our test class. Okay, let's delete a node with info 4 first. Okay, let's delete a node with info 4, and which will be like this: list dot delete with info 4, and we'll print the list afterwards. What? Oh, I see. Here temp.info. I mean, I just made a horrible mistake here. Info not equals. Okay. Okay, now we successfully deleted a node 4. This was the previous node, then we deleted it. Now let's check deleting from head and deleting from head and deleting from. Let's delete 5 in a similar fashion. Let's delete once we delete 4, let's delete 5. Let's delete 9. So now we deleted 4, then we deleted 9, then let's check it with head. After we deleted 4, let's delete 9. Let's delete 5, which is the head. Only 5, only the head. So it's working properly. Oh no, 5 is not the head actually. The head was 6, so let's change. The head was 6. Let's delete the head. Yeah, then 6 is deleted. The head is successfully deleted. So this function, which can delete a node from anywhere in the list, is working now. So let me push it. Then it's deleting a node from anywhere in the list. Okay, now it's done. Thanks for your attention and have a good time.